Jamaican music producer Miller-9 is facing murder charges in Florida.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A former member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force and music producer is facing murder charges in the US state of Florida. He is 41-year-old Omar Lloyd Miller, more popularly known to dancehall fans as Miller-9. Miller is the principal of Miller-9 Records. According to information obtained from the Broward County Sheriff's Department, Miller was arrested and charged on Tuesday, the 17th of December. He will be placed before the court, where he will answer the charges of murder, criminal conspiracy, and assault with a deadly weapon. Unconfirmed reports suggest that Miller is suspected of home invasion and murder. Of note, this is not Miller's first run-in with law enforcement, as in 2011, the then police constable was one of 4 members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force who were freed of killing an 18-year-old man on the 28th of September 2007 in the Grandspend community of St. Andrew. Miller was charged along with Detective Corporal Noel Bryan, Corporal Philip Dunstan, and Constable Clayton Ferron for the killing of Andre Canute Thomas.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.